Have you ever wondered why snakes, unlike other creatures, have no legs yet can move swiftly? It's a question that has intrigued minds for ages. Snakes, these legless wonders that glide seamlessly across diverse terrains, embody a unique blend of mystery and awe. But how did they come to be? How did they evolve to become the creatures we know today? Our quest for answers takes us back in time, deep into the annals of history. Today, we embark on a journey to unravel the fascinating history of these unique creatures. The story of snakes begins hundreds of millions of years ago. During the Middle Jurassic period, a remarkable transformation occurred, marking a crucial point in the evolution of life on Earth. It was during this period, around 170 million years ago, that snakes made their debut. But they weren't the slithering, legless creatures we're familiar with today. In fact, they started life as four-legged lizards. Yes, you heard right, four-legged lizards. The ancestors of today's snakes were burrowing lizards, which over time adapted to their subterranean lifestyle by shedding unnecessary appendages. This evolutionary shift allowed them to move more efficiently through the soil and narrow spaces, a survival skill that proved vital in their harsh and competitive environment. Now, you might be wondering, how do we know all this? Well, the answer lies in the fossil record. Paleontologists have discovered fossils of snakes with tiny rudimentary legs, providing clear evidence of their four-legged ancestry. These primitive snakes, such as the Euphodophus, had hind legs but no front legs. The legs were small and not useful for locomotion, but they were there, a vestige of their evolutionary past. Over the course of millions of years, these tiny legs disappeared entirely, and the body of the snake elongated, giving them their distinct, legless form. These changes didn't happen overnight. It was a slow, gradual process driven by the relentless engine of evolution, with each small adaptation helping snakes to become the efficient predators they are today. The story of the snake is a fascinating testament to the power of evolution. It shows how life can adapt and change over unimaginable spans of time, transforming in response to the demands of survival. So, from four-legged lizards burrowing in the soil of the ancient world, to the diverse array of legless serpents slithering across the globe today, the journey of snakes is a tale of adaptation and survival. So, snakes began their journey from four-legged creatures to the slithering species we know today. As we move into the Mesozoic era, snakes continued to evolve. During this historic period, our slithery friends found themselves sharing the planet with some of the most formidable creatures to ever walk the Earth: the dinosaurs. It was a time of titanic clashes and gargantuan predators, but amid the chaos, snakes found a way to not just survive but to thrive. In a world dominated by these colossal creatures, evolution favored the small, the stealthy, and the adaptable. Snakes, with their slender bodies and ability to exploit a wide range of habitats, were perfectly suited to the task. They slithered into the undergrowth, burrowed into the earth, and swam in the seas, adapting to an array of environments that their larger counterparts couldn't exploit. But it wasn't just their physical form that helped them survive. Snakes began to develop an array of survival strategies. Some evolved venom, a potent weapon that allowed them to immobilize their prey and deter potential predators. Others developed the ability to constrict their prey, using the sheer power of their muscular bodies to subdue and consume creatures many times their size. And then there were those that used camouflage and mimicry, blending seamlessly into their surroundings or pretending to be something they were not. These deceptive strategies allowed them to hide from predators and ambush unsuspecting prey, proving that in the game of survival, brains often trump brawn. The Mesozoic era was a time of great change and upheaval, but throughout it all, snakes continued to adapt and evolve. They diversified into a multitude of species, each with its unique adaptations and survival strategies, showcasing the incredible versatility and resilience of these amazing creatures. From the depths of the ocean to the heights of the trees, from deserts to swamps, snakes found a way to carve out a niche in virtually every corner of the prehistoric world. They were, and continue to be, a testament to the power of evolution and the enduring struggle for survival. Despite the reign of dinosaurs, snakes found a way to thrive and diversify. Fast forward to the Cenozoic era, the age of mammals. This period marks a significant milestone in the evolutionary journey of snakes. With the demise of the dinosaurs, mammals began to dominate the planet, leading to a radical shift in the Earth's ecosystems. Snakes, ever the survivors, adeptly adapted to these changing circumstances. They began to diversify, evolving into the wide array of species that we're familiar with today. From the arid deserts of the Sahara to the dense rainforests of the Amazon, snakes found a way to thrive in every corner of the globe, each environment influencing their evolution in unique ways. In colder climates, for instance, snakes developed a more robust metabolism to survive the harsh winters. In contrast, those in warmer tropical regions often developed vibrant colors and patterns to blend into their lush surroundings. But perhaps the most fascinating adaptation of all is the development of venom. Venomous snakes, a group that includes the notorious rattlesnakes, cobras, and vipers, evolved their venom as a specialized tool for survival. This deadly concoction, a cocktail of enzymes and proteins, is not only used to subdue their prey, but also to ward off potential predators. The sophistication of this venom, its potency, and the mechanisms through which it is delivered, is a testament to the millions of years of evolutionary pressure these creatures have faced. Even the most minute details of their biology, such as their forked tongues and heat-sensitive pits, speak volumes about their incredible journey through time. They are sensory adaptations that have allowed snakes to become some of the most successful predators on the planet. So the next time you encounter a snake, whether it's slithering through your garden or showcased in a zoo, take a moment to appreciate its evolutionary history. Remember that it's a product of countless generations of adaptation and survival, a testament to the power of evolution and the relentless march of time. In response to a changing world, snakes evolved, becoming the diverse group we see today. The relationship between humans and snakes is a complex one, marked by fear, fascination, and respect. This intricate interaction has been woven into the tapestry of our history, shaping cultures, sparking myths, and influencing medicine. Throughout history, snakes have been the stuff of legend. From the serpents of ancient Greek mythology like the fearsome Hydra, to the rainbow serpent revered by indigenous Australians, these creatures have been immortalized in tales as symbols of power, wisdom, and rebirth. Even today, the potent imagery of the snake continues to captivate our collective imagination. Yet snakes were not only the subjects of myth and lore, they were also integral to the development of medicine. The rod of Asclepius, a serpent-entwined rod wielded by the Greek god Asclepius, is still recognized today as a symbol of medicine and healthcare. In many traditional practices, snake venom was used for its medicinal properties, treating ailments from blood clotting to pain management. Beyond mythology and medicine, snakes play a crucial role in our ecosystems. As both predators and prey, they help maintain the delicate balance of nature. By controlling rodent populations, snakes prevent the spread of diseases and damage to crops, and in turn, they provide sustenance for larger predators. However, the relationship between humans and snakes is not without its challenges. Fear and misunderstanding have often led to unnecessary killings of these misunderstood creatures. Yet, with increased education and conservation efforts, we can foster a more harmonious coexistence, appreciating snakes for the vital role they play in our world. Snakes have slithered their way into almost every facet of human life, from our oldest legends to our most advanced medical research. Their impact is as diverse as the species themselves, and their story is deeply intertwined with ours. From feared predators to revered symbols, snakes have held a significant place in human history. So, what have we learned about the history of snakes? We've delved into the enigma of these slithering creatures, starting from their origin. Born from the ancient family of reptiles, snakes evolved and made their mark in the world, even during the age of dinosaurs. They survived in an era when gigantic creatures roamed the earth, proving their adaptability and resilience. We then journeyed through time to the age of dinosaurs, where these cold-blooded creatures coexisted with the colossal beasts. Their evolution during this period is a testament to their survival skills, adapting to the changing environment and developing new ways to hunt and protect themselves. As we moved forward into the era of modern snakes, we saw how they continued to evolve, developing a wide range of sizes, colors, and behaviors. Each species has its unique characteristics, from the venomous king cobra to the constricting anaconda, showcasing the diversity and complexity of snake evolution. Finally, we explored the intricate relationship between snakes and humans. From being worshipped as divine beings in ancient cultures, to being feared or admired in the modern world, snakes have always stirred strong emotions in us. Their fascinating biology and behavior continue to captivate scientists and animal lovers alike, contributing to our understanding of biodiversity and evolution. From their humble beginnings to their current diversity, snakes have proven to be a resilient and fascinating part of our world's history.